مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation and phrase book, free of charge. Check the link down below. Yalla, let's begin. Since it's almost Valentine's, I thought about doing this short video with Layla, my cat, to give you some useful phrases to use for your loved ones. Let's start with the basic. I'm sure you've heard of Habibi, Habibi, and that means my love, Habibi, or Habibti in the feminine to a female, although sometimes we say Habibi to both a male and a female, so that's common as well. It's typically used between two people from the opposite gender, or it could be used even within the same gender if they're friends or if they're saying something like my dear. So I might say to my female friend, Habibti. But typically I'm not going to say that to my male colleague. However, like sometimes if you're a tourist or you're visiting Lebanon or the Levant, people could say Habibti or Habibi just jokingly and trying to be silly. So just clarifying that. How to say I love you, بحبك to a male and بحبك to a female. بحبك, بحبك, بحبكن, بحبكن in the plural. How to say I miss you. We actually say it in the past. We say I missed you. Hi, Layla. اشتقت means I missed. And we're going to combine that with a preposition, the lam preposition, and the pronoun. So اشتقت لك, I missed you to a male. So we're pronouncing it as one word if you've noticed. It's اشتقت and لك, but we're pronouncing it all together. اشتقت لك. To a female, اشتقت لك. اشتقت لك. اشتقت لك. In the plural, اشتقت لكن. اشتقت لكن. And moving on, how to say other romantic words. حياتي, my life. حياة means life. حياتي, you can call someone حياتي. روحي, يا روحي, my soul. روحي, so يا حياتي, يا روحي. يا قلبي, my heart, from قلب, a heart. يا قلبي. And finally, تقبرني to a male and تقبريني to a female. And that literally means, may you bury me. So we're literally saying that we love them so much that we can't stand living without them. So we'd rather die before they do. So hence, may they bury us and not the other way around. Hopefully you find the video useful. بحبكن كلكن وشكرا كتير لإلكن. Do let me know if you've heard other expressions or if you have any favorite expressions to express love in Levantine Arabic. Leave your comments below. شكرا كتير.